Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're shedding light on what I consider to be the best LED PAR36 landscape bulb on the market. Introducing the PAR36 LED 12W landscape bulb by SHUWDKAR. Now, let's dive into why this bulb stands out from the rest. First off, let's talk about versatility. This bulb is designed for use with any low-voltage District of Columbia 12V power source, making it perfect for landscape lights, floodlights, tractors, trucks, and more. Plus, it can handle unstable voltage spikes up to 36 volts, ensuring reliable performance in various applications. Now, let's talk brightness. With its 12-watt LED producing 1280 lumens, this bulb is equivalent to approximately 80 watts incandescent. That means you get brilliant illumination with a wide beam angle of 120 degrees, bathing your outdoor space in warm white light at 300K. But what about durability? Fear not, because this PAR36 bulb is built to last. With an IP65 rating and a heavy-duty sealed beam, it's water-resistant and can withstand heavy weather conditions. Plus, the high-hardness tempered glass housing ensures long-term durability, perfect for outdoor use. Now, let's talk savings. This LED landscape bulb is a game-changer when it comes to energy efficiency. It uses a whopping 80% less energy than traditional incandescent lights, helping you save on electricity costs in the long run. And with a service life of over 30,000 hours, you'll spend less time replacing bulbs and more time enjoying your outdoor space. A quick word of caution. This bulb is designed for low-voltage AC/DC 12 to 36 volts applications. Using it with improper voltage may lead to a short circuit, so be sure to double-check the voltage compatibility before installation. And there you have it, folks. The PAR36 LED 12W landscape bulb by SHUWDKAR, the best LED PAR36 bulb you can get for your outdoor lighting needs. Don't settle for anything less when it comes to illuminating your outdoor space. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and remember to subscribe for more insightful reviews. See you next time.